Hey, Sarah Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got just a TMG all-time favorite here, the classic Copperhead 52, all loaded out. Now this is going on man Jerry in Michigan, and when I say he's in Michigan, I mean he is in Michigan, baby. He is way up north, almost in Canada. I'll tell you what, the people in Michigan just really seem to love the TMG pits. Hey, we love all your Michigan guys. But let's check out Jerry's pit here. Now, like I said, Copperhead 52, that's 52 inches wide, 24 inches deep. It is the octagon smoke chamber. And what we love about the octagon chamber versus a round is you actually get a little more height between the cooking grates, and you get a bigger top shelf. You know, at TMG, we love our top shelf. So you got a big top rack in there. Now this is a reverse flow smoker. So we've got two removable reverse flow plates in there. That directs the heat all the way across the bottom, then back out of the stack. Makes for real even cooking temperatures in there. Fold this down, do have our TMG Pits Tell-Tru thermometers there, made in the USA. That's what we like to see. And now Jerry did upgrade to our off-road package, and not only that, but he threw some upgraded wheels and tires on there as well. Those things look slick on here. Come around to the hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America. Okay, that's really all there is to it. And what's nice about this hot box is it runs completely independent from the chamber. So you can be cooking at 250 over here and have your hot box at 325. So it's great for chicken. Do your sides in here, use it as a warmer. We also have a removable plate down there, so you can pull that out and get direct fire in there. We've got guys doing wood fire pieces in there, or just use it as a smoker, do all your pork butt and ribs in there. So it works really well. Now onto the firebox. This is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate. Do have our fire management cradle in there. Of course, D-ring tie down points in all 4 corners with a fold down stack. So fold that down, rolled up in your trailer, rolled in your garage. So guys, that is Jerry's Copperhead 52 heading up to Michigan. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.